everybody! Okay, you're here on the YouTube copyright page. So, if you're watching this, probably you're having problems with your video getting taken down, or you think someone else uploaded it.
Stop the video!
Mario, we can't stop. YouTube hired us to make this video.
But video is being stolen and re-uploaded! Right now!
Work is uploaded by someone else without permission, you can send us a copyright infringement notice and we'll take care of it.
I'm gonna take you down! This is a takedown notification.
This video is no longer available due to a copyright claim by Glove and Boots.
Curtis!
Okay, problem solved. And now for something amazing that has nothing to do with what we've been talking about. Hooray! What's your problem? I know it's your video. That's why we paid you for a license to use it. Don't Gorilla, ow! Don't do that.
This video contains content from Gorilla, who has blocked it on copyright grounds.
What the hell is that?
Looks like a content ID claim just blocked our video.
What? Get out of it!